Well, first day out on a kayak in 2021. I wish I would have brought the GoPro with me on the first pond I went to. I did not know there was open water here, or I would have came here first. But I lost a giant at the boat at the last place. So they are hitting, and this happens to be my favorite lake in Rhode Island. My good spots, I mean, there's still ice on the good spots, but I've got open water over here and definitely signs of life. So, let's see what we can't make happen. Well, we just had our first hit. But it was such a mushy bite that I thought it was grass. And unfortunately, I couldn't get my Old Town out of the shed because of too much snow. I know it doesn't look like it here, but at my house, I have quite a bit of snow. So, I'm in the old Sun Dolphin, which gets blown around like a top. Ooh, the line just got tapped. I think those little flickers just might be bluegill. I got a jig tied on. I got a Texas rig tied up. The last pond I was at, the wacky rig was the juice. So the first box I came across was my chatterbait box. So I'm going to throw this little thunder cricket. I've had really good luck in this place with chatterbaits, so see what happens. This Cast King reel, man, there's nothing like it. Thing is so smooth. It'd be nice to actually get one on the chatterbait. But I don't know because it's so cold. Don't want to bite something moving this fast. I'm trying to go as slow as I possibly can, just skipping it off the top of the grass. Pretty sure I gotta get back into the deeper water though. Well, we got our first fish. That's a pickerel that's got this thing buried down its throat. I'm bleeding, it's bleeding. But we finally got a fish. I had just gotten broke off on a jerkbait. And then this guy decided to hit. She's bleeding a little bit, but she'll be all right. What do we think? Good sized pickerel. Whoa, almost lost my rod. Let's see if we can get the release. Yeah, she's gonna be just fine. All right, I'm gonna keep this thing rolling. See if we can't do that again. Because that was 2 casts in a row with a jerkbait. First one was an absolute giant. I have no idea what it was, but it broke me off. And that one we landed. So, let's see if we can do it again. Oh, we got another pickerel. Little skinny guy. Little skinny guy. I think Anthony's just packing up, getting ready to leave. Can't seem to get anything from shore. They're all out here deeper. Go on my line, buddy. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Yeah. Slimy darts. All right, brother. Good luck with the boat. That's what I'm catching them on. This little live target jerk bait seems to be working pretty good. Got good teeth marks on it now. That was a fish. And I missed him. Because I was being dumb. Not paying attention. There's one. That's the little guy. Oh, what did I do with those pliers? Come on. I'll take it out of your mouth if you just let me. Little tiny slime dart. See ya. Kick him over at me. Alright, so that's what it is. I gotta make the pauses last longer. Well, we have spot number 3 that I'm at, which is a pain in the butt to get to. You gotta kind of navigate through this little tiny stream till it opens up. But literally, I'm right in between both north and southbound of the highway. I fished this once early last year and I got a few fish. So we're gonna try it again because we got a little bit of time. Right up here it opens up a bit. I apologize for all the road noise, but like I said, I'm right in between the highways. When I was a kid, I always used to see this place and really want to fish it, but never really knew if there'd be fish in here. And I don't know if you guys have seen them on YouTube or not, but Thai Pig Patrol has showed me that fish live in very mysterious places. So if you haven't checked him out yet, shoot over to his channel. Check him out. He catches some big stuff, man. Travels down to the Amazon. And he also, I think he lives in Texas, so he catches pretty big fish. This is still the smaller spot right here. Go through that little opening right there, and then we're gonna start fishing. Here I'm only in about 3 feet of water. This place really isn't that deep, but I've heard of very big fish coming out of here, so. Oh, we got a good one this time, boys and girls, and it's finally the right species. Oh yeah. Finally the right species. Of all places to get it, in the middle of the highway. Got us a highway bass. And I know it's just a little, maybe 13.5-inch bass, but my wife bought me this nice little scale, and I've yet to put a fish on it. So we're gonna put you on the scale, see what you weigh. Easy, 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 easy. £1 pound, 4 ounce. 1 pound, 4 ounce. Nice little bass. Healthy, healthy little fish. And away you go. Oh, we got a tank. We got one worth putting on the scale. Now I just gotta find the scale. This thing hit out of nowhere like a brick. .4. 2.4. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Seem to find a good way to release these fish, boys. Here we go. And there she goes. It has been a good day. Well, overall, I think it was a really good day. The only thing I would have changed is my boat. I wish I was in the old town. Because this thing hurts. This thing's just so uncomfortable. But got me on the water for the first time for 2021. Caught a lot of decent fish. Looks like I'm deciding to leave just in time because here comes the wind. For a little pond in between the highway. This thing produced quite nicely. Seeing how the water's only about 38 degrees. Been told I should try this in the summertime, but I never ever do because there's so many other places to go. And usually I'm too busy with tournaments. I will say it was fun. Good times. Oh, my nice warm truck is sounding real good right now. Another 50 yards through this little tiny stream that we got here, and we'll be good. I remember the first time I came through here with my Ascend. It was not fun. Just gotta know how to maneuver your boat, and you'll be all right. This is a quick ass turn right here. Yeah, nice and tight through the stumps. There we go. Nice and tight through these stumps. There we go. Nicely done. Very nicely done. No screech, no scratch. That's okay. No flipping me over. And there's my truck. And there's a bush in my face. Land ho, boys. Land ho. Ooh, that would have been bad. We have made it